Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Avimo India. Avimo India, that is awesome intelligent mind of India. This is under the government of India. This company owner Gurpreet Singh Baharji. This company work is brand promoting. This company brand NP brand. NP means nation pride. This company has 8 documents. What is the goal of this company? Reach for world, other countries. This company goal, diamond achievements.
We are going to discuss about Avenmo. In this Avenmo, Awesome Intelligent Minds of India. In this marketing private limited, we have 8 legal certificates to come across through the world. Let us see what we have. In this legal documents, we have PAN, AA, UCA 3186C, and we have to pay GST has 03 AA UCA 3186C 1ZN. We have CIN also. See this documents once. This is the PAN card for this company, permanent account number. It is the tax of this company pays. It is the CIN. It is the registration certificate of this company, and we have 2 company owners who full-time directors and key manager person. Number 1, Gurpreet Singh. He is the director of the company. He is the resident of the state of Punjab. And another one is the Vipin Kumar. He is also the one of the director and who lived in the Punjab only. In this GST, the legal name is Avenmo India Marketing Private Limited. We have also Udayam registration certificate also. This is the government of permission to success to proceed our company into the India to start our process to over the world.